Welcome to this week's PennEnergy Petroleum News Update. I'm Stacy Schmidt. This week, the price of oil bobbled around the $100 mark on the NYMEX, supported by decreasing inventories in the U.S. and pushed lower by a gaining U.S. dollar. Brent crude in London is trading around the 112 mark. Oil prices have been elevated by increasing demand and escalating violence in the Middle East and North Africa. Gasoline prices in the U.S. have risen to $4 a gallon, prompting many American families to reduce consumption. The summer driving session is about to start, as well as the Atlantic hurricane season, which both typically push the price of oil higher. In the U.S. Gulf of Mexico, Hess has tapped Williams Partners for its Gulfstar FPS spar technology to develop the ultra-deepwater tubular Bells field. The Gulfstar spar will incorporate 3-level topsides mated with a classic spar hull and will be able to process 60,000 barrels of oil and 200 million cubic feet of natural gas a day. According to Williams Partners, the Tubular Bells development will likely support other nearby fields, serving as a hub in the eastern GOM region. Additionally, with the hull contract awarded to Gulf Island Fabrication in Corpus Christi and the topsides contract going to another domestic fabricator, this will be the first spar to be built entirely on the U.S. Gulf Coast. On the Mexican side of the Gulf, Pemex has discovered a major deepwater natural gas and condensate field with its Peakles 1 exploration well. Initial tests of the discovery estimate the field to contain up to 600 billion cubic feet of natural gas reserves. Drilled in nearly 2,000 meters of water with Gremsa Centenario semi-sub, the discovery well is the deepest well that Pemex has drilled to date. Offshore Western Australia, Santos has discovered oil with its Finucane South well in the Carnarvon Basin. Transecting an oil column measuring 18 meters in the Angel Formation, the Finucane South discovery is situated nearby the Fletcher oil field and Mutineer Exeter production facilities. With engineering studies well progressed, multiple development options are on the table, with a keen eye to fast-track the field development alongside Fletcher as subsea tiebacks to the Mutineer Exeter FPSO. Should this happen, the fields could come on stream as early as 2013. The recent volcano eruption in Iceland is stopping air travel in the UK and across Europe, which grounds helicopters to and from offshore rigs and facilities in the North Sea. Operators and oilfield service providers are readying for the worst as regulatory agencies restrict flights due to volcano ash entering the atmosphere. Major offshore transport firm Bristow Helicopters revealed that the firm was closely monitoring the situation and likely would have to stop transport from Aberdeen and Skotstad in Shetland on Wednesday. Thanks for joining me this week. For these stories and more, go to PennEnergy.com.